In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can show your Instagram Reels videos on your Instagram grid. Meaning if I go to my profile of my Instagram page, you can see this is my profile grid. And if you want your Instagram Reels to show up here, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So first of all, I need to create an Instagram Reel to put on my profile grid. So you can see the Reels icon in the middle at the center at the bottom. Tap on the Reels icon. Then you can see a camera icon at the top right of the page. To create an Instagram Reel, you tap on that. And now I'm on the Reels camera and I'm just going to go ahead and record something really quickly so I can put it in as my Instagram Reel. So that should do the trick for this example. So that's my Instagram Reels video. Now from here, you can see that little arrow pointing to the right hand side. What you want to do is tap on that. And you can also just customize your reel how you would like. You can add music and everything like that. I'm not going to be doing it for this example. Just tap on that right hand arrow. And yeah, you can further customize it even further. So I'm just going to hit the arrow at the right hand corner again. Now this is the screen where you can go ahead and write your caption for your Instagram Reels, and there at the bottom it says share to Reels. So it says your video may appear in Reels and can be seen on the Reels tab of your profile. So if you go to your profile, there is a Reels tab if you are uploading Reels. That's what they mean by that. But then you also see the option below that. It says also share to feed, meaning if you go ahead and toggle that on, that's going to put that Instagram Reels video in your profile grid. And that's pretty much all there is to it. That's what you need to do. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.